Welcome. In this video I will show you how to troubleshoot the issue of your speaker not working on a VIVO X300 Pro smartphone. First of all, go to settings and find sounds and vibration menu, and here you'll find the sound mixer for different with different sound volumes. Make sure that all of them are just swipe all of them to the very right to increase your sound volume to the maximum level, and check if this improves your speaker quality. And if it doesn't, try to clean your device's speaker by removing your protective case first, and then try to use a soft brush to carefully clean the debris that could have been stuck inside your phone speaker, like this. You can use a soft brush. You can even try to use a harder brush if you want to, but don't use any metallic tools. Don't put any metallic tools into your phone's speakers. So just try to clean your device's speakers as much as you can, and then check your volume quality once again, and if it didn't improve, then check if your phone is connected to any isn't connected to any Bluetooth device. So if it's if it has Bluetooth enabled on it, disable it, because your sound might be just rerouted to some other Bluetooth device. And also go to settings, swipe down to system update, and check if your phone has any updates to install. Before you do that, of course, connect to a Wi-Fi network or to mobile network, and then check if you are using the latest system version. And if you're not, of course, take your time to download and install the updates on your phone. Also, try to test your speaker in safe mode to make sure that no third-party application is interfering the way that your speaker works. To do so, press power button and volume up key to see the power menu. Hold your finger down on the power button until you see this notification, then tap OK and wait until your phone is restarted into the safe mode. In the safe mode, you will see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner. So try to check your sound quality in here. And if the sound problem didn't go away, then just go to settings, open system management, go to reset, and select reset all settings. This will not remove any personal data from your phone, but it will reset all the settings that you had on your phone, including your, for example, wallpaper, your all the settings in the settings menu, basically everything except for your personal settings and content that you have on your phone. Once your phone is restarted, check if the problem was resolved, and if it wasn't, if it didn't solve your problem, then contact the VIVO customer support service and tell them about your issue. Maybe you'll have to send your phone to them for repair, or maybe to other specialists that specialize in repairing phones, and just let them take care of your device, as this might be a hardware problem, a speaker problem, a problem of a speaker itself. And that's basically it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.